Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the C-Spring Extra Large Shoe Storage Box. A game changer for anyone looking to declutter and organize their space. This clear plastic, stackable shoe organizer is perfect for fitting shoes up to size 11, allowing you to create a sleek shoe tower with its snap-tight clasp design, elevating your shoe organization to the next level. Not only does it help keep your shoes dust-free, but its clear front door lets you easily find the right pair at a glance, making it a boon for your home. These stackable storage bins are versatile enough to organize small daily items like scarves, books, toys, and games, making them a perfect addition to your closet, hallway, or bedroom. Crafted from sturdy and durable premium plastic, these containers feature large rear ventilation holes to ensure air circulation and odor prevention, keeping your shoes fresh. Each bin measures 13.2 inches long, 9.9 inches wide, and 5.5 inches high, accommodating various shoe types, from heels to sneakers. With a pack of 12, these organizers are a fantastic substitute for traditional shoe racks, offering a foldable design, easy-to-follow instructions, and a neat solution to keep your shoes and other items perfectly organized. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.